Hi there, boys and girls, and welcome back to Learning with Miss Christian. This is another video to help you along your academic journey. Watch the end for the shoutouts. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Today, we will be looking at social studies, ways to preserve and promote our culture. Our objectives are to identify various ways of preserving Caribbean culture and to identify ways of promoting our culture. Here on screen we have culture. You can pause at any time and read through. I will share the definition of culture. Culture is the way of life of a particular group of people. Can you think of any group of people and what their culture is? Remember that the Caribbean culture is very unique as it is made up of different cultures. Cultural retention is very important. This is the act of keeping the culture of a specific ethnic group of people alive, especially when we think that there might be a threat or this culture may be lost. And then we have cultural preservation. Now, these includes documenting and studying languages, preserving and restoring historical relics significant to culture or heritage. Another important aspect of culture, apart from the food, music, and dance, would have to be the economic value that cultural and creative industries provide for our country. Here on screen, I have 5 ways in which the cultural and creative industries benefits our country. Remember, you can always pause for more detailed reading. Here we have some ways to promote our Caribbean culture. And I know that our Jamaican culture is very unique and special to all of us. Here we have some ways that we can promote our culture to the world. As you go through your academic journey, always strive to promote your culture. We have just looked at some ways of promoting our culture. Now, what would it have been like if we had not preserved our culture? We will now be looking at ways in which we can preserve our culture so that it will be around for generations to come. Here on screen are some ways that we all can practice in helping to preserve our culture. Now that we have come to the end of this video, I have an activity for you. Type in the comments some ways that you have been helping to promote and preserve our culture. I will be looking out for your comments. I can't go without giving a shout out to my A+ subscribers. They are Antonio, Carice, Jessica, Damali, Tiana, Roana, Shaquane, Anita, Anthea, last but by no means least, Lironique. Remember, if you want a shout out, all you have to do is like, share, subscribe, comment your name or username and the school you attend before I post a next video. Until next time, take care.